Hey, I want to take a few minutes to show you about an app called RTI, the Response to Intervention. Um, doesn't really give you a lot of ideas on how to do RTI, but it's a wonderful way to track RTI and to help you manage all the paperwork and all the other things that come along with doing RTI. I'm going to show you how you can use it and how to set up a couple of little things. Go into Manager first. I added my entire staff to it. Went ahead and just typed everybody in by hand and what they do. Really easy to do. Go back in under students. I put myself as a student. Under student, you can see my grade, which is kindergarten. I'm a native Hawaiian, not really who my teacher is. I made that up too. I put in that I'm receiving Tier 1 instruction for reading, which means I'm in a regular class. However, in math, I'm also on the Tier 1 instruction. I could save that if I wanted to. Save. Go back. I want to show you some other things you can do with it. You can set the subject and see all the kids who are in tiers for language arts. Tier 1 students in language arts. Touch on Tier 1. Nobody. Tier 2. Nobody. Let's change it to math. Math Tier 1. There's my name under Tier 1. When you touch on my name, you can see the screener tool that was used. You can list that in there, whatever you like. The diagnostic tool, the intervention tool, the progress monitoring tool, some of the diagnoses and the causes. Staff who's responsible for keeping up with them, my initial score, my target score. An excellent way to track what you're doing with your tier students. It also has the option to send this diagnostic chart in an email so you could save it and print it out to turn in with your paperwork, because there's pounds of paperwork. I'll delete that draft. I'm going to go back and show you some more things under the setup. Manager, there's tools. This is the part that I think is really neat. You can go in under diagnostic tools and you can add your own diagnostic tools. I went ahead and put in MAPS test, an MCT test. I could go even further and put in MAPS reading and language arts test, MCT reading and language arts test, any one of those. Thank you, dear. You can put in whatever screener that you would like and apply those scores to that student. It's pretty awesome. Also, back under Manager, you can type in different intervention tools, and it even gives you some already some ones that we actually use. There's Read Naturally is in there already. Some progress monitoring tools, some screener tools, DRAs, all these kind of things that a lot of us have already heard of, some that we're already using. You can go in, this is where you input staff, student, subjects, load your default tools. You can decide which ones will be your defaults. Again, the app is called RTI, Response to Intervention. I'm going to set it up on math. I'm pretty sure I had some math in there for myself. There I am. Like I said, it's an excellent way to help keep track of what you're doing with your tier students. And for me, honestly, seeing it laid out on paper like this helps me kind of get a better grasp on what I need to be doing with them and what I can do to help them better and improve in their subject. Again, the app is called RTI. For all my Ruse friends, we have it. I can install it on your iPad in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. For those of you who don't have it, it's worth checking out. RTI, available in the App Store. Let me show you what the icon looks like on your home screen. There, oh, that's not it. That's gluten-free. Here it is. RTI, Response to Intervention app. It'll get you a better shot. Check it out in the App Store. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great night.